Here are 3 regrets if you were not able to buy condominium during the pre-selling stage. Number 1, mas mura noong pre-selling yung property kaysa bibili ka ngayon. For example, in Azure North, during the pre-launching phase, nasa almost 2 million lang during that time. Hence, if nakabili ka noon, mas ma-enjoy mo sana ang capital appreciation ngayon. Just to give you an update, as of today's video recording, January 2024, almost 6 million plus na ang isang typical studio unit. Number 2, mas mahaba pa ang payment terms at ma-enjoy mo ang 0% interest since hindi pa ready for occupancy ang mga units. If bibili ka ngayon na RFO, normally, it will require you bigger down payment or even spot cash. And lastly, number 3, mas malaki ang income mo ngayon through rentals pag pina-Airbnb or pina-long-term rent mo ang unit mo. So, ma-enjoy mo na ang iyong passive income. So that's almost 1 minute. For more property investment opportunities, especially sa mga pre-selling condominium property for sale, we hope you don't miss the opportunities this 2024. We still have available na mga pre-selling sa mga different developers such as in Rockwell, Ayala Land, Mega World, SMDC, DMCI, Philinvest, Federal Land, Century Properties, Robinson's Lands, Avida Acera, and so much more. Just feel free to send us a message and we're more than happy to guide you. Bye for now!